Hello and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joy Eneghalu, and as always, I'm bringing you new amazing tutorials on digital marketing. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create an Instagram landing page using your website. A lot of you keep asking me questions like, Joy, how were you able to create the link in bio using your website on Instagram? Well, this is exactly how I was able to create it. For you to be able to do this, I'm currently doing this with my WordPress website, but if you have or you're currently using other CMS platforms, I'm sure that with whatever you see here, you can actually implement it there, right? So let's dive right in. The first thing that you have to do is to download a plugin called Mango Buttons. There are different sorts of button plugins, but Mango is my favorite. So how do you do that? The first thing you have to do is to scroll down at the left side bar here and go to plugins. When you go to plugins, it will give you these three options. So just click on add new. Once you click on add new, this page pops. Okay. Yeah, so you can see, just come here to the keyword search bar side and type Mango. And you see the buttons will, the options will come up. So this is the one we are going for. So all you have to do, as you can see, it's already installed on my website. But if it's not installed in yours, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the install now button here. So just simply click on it. Once you click on it, it changes and it installs. It changes to activate. Then the next thing you have to do again is to click on activate, and voila, your Mango buttons will be ready for use, right? Now that we have gotten our Mango buttons, the next thing we have to do is to create a new page. Now, all you have to do is to scroll up again on the left side bar, and you can see pages here. Simply click on add new. Now, once you click on add new, it gives you a new page where you can see different things and, add as many things as you want to that page. So once you open up the website, you can see right from here that the Mango button icon is here and it says add Mango button. So the first thing we're going to do now is to start working on our page. So here you can name it, say, if your website is xyz.com, it could be xyz.com/links, or for mine is VIP. For yours, it could be xyz.com/resources/free gifts /welcome. It totally depends on you, whatever it is that you want. So let's say we are naming this welcome, right? So, yes, you see. So the next thing, after naming this page, it's going to generate a link for you using this name that that you've put in here. So there's no need for you to start editing it unless you want the link to be different from the name. Then you can edit it. Then the next thing you have to do is to come to the body of the website and then click on Mango button. Yeah, click on the icon. So once you click on the icon, it pops up, and then that's where we start doing our entire magic. Alright? So now that we've clicked on the Mango button, the next thing that will happen is for the button to pop. Okay, let me sort this out and know what's happening here. So now that we've selected this, the next thing you have to do is to select a style. So there are different button styles. Just select the one that you want. So let's say we go for traditional. So once you click on traditional, it selects as what you want. Then you click on button text. So what do you want to be on the text? So let's say you're trying to promote your podcast. So you're like, listen to my podcast. Okay. Type it there. And let's say the link is joyeneghalu.com/podcast. Yeah, that's the link to my podcast. Okay, so joyeneghalu.com/podcast, right? And yeah, you can also change the color to suit your branding, right? So just select color here, and then you can change it to whatever you want, raise it from here, let's say purple or something, right? See, it changes. Then you can also select these three dots right here. Once you click on the three dots, you see that you can change the size of the buttons. Small, okay, smallest, smaller, big, biggest, or something, right? You can also change the border, the edges. So you can make this one round, you can make it square, whatever it is that you want, basically. Then you can also change the font size. So you can see the 3 A's, they're really light, so you have to really stare at your screen to be able to see this, right? So yeah. And then once you're done, you simply click on insert. Okay? Just click on insert. And as soon as you're done inserting it, it shows on the body of your website exactly the same way you have done it. So as you can see here now, this is not looking aligned, it's just to the left, and we want it to be aligned, right? So the next thing you can do is to come up here. So this is these are the alignment icons. This is alignment to the left, alignment to the right, and alignment to the center. What we want is to the center. So once you click on the center, it moves immediately to the center, right? And you can use this process to create as many buttons as you want for your landing page. Totally depends on what you want to do. And you can also write a name or something, like name of the page. So once you're done, simply click on publish. So I'm not publishing this because I already have my page and I don't want multiple pages. Okay, so what has this thing shifted? Okay. So I don't want multiple pages on my website. But once you click on publish and you click on the link, immediately it shows you what you've created. So you can now take that link and put in your Instagram link in bio, and voila, you have your Instagram landing page as well, right? I hope you've learned so much from this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesomeness. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.